Okay, so I am at Volcanic Tableland, which is on BLM land right outside of Bishop. I'm trying to find a camping spot right now. The road goes a lot farther that way, but I got to a point where it was just really a lot of sand, and I could feel that my car was struggling a little bit driving through the sand, and I'm not about to need to get myself recovered, so I'm gonna play it safe. I turned back around, I'm going back down this road, and I'm gonna find a camping spot. There was a beautiful camping spot right as you enter Volcanic Tablelands, and it had a little bit of shade. So I think I'm gonna go back to that spot. There was somebody kind of close, but you know, they're gonna have a neighbor. Because I really like that spot. They had a really big camp ring, and it had a pretty good view of the mountains. The mountains being the eastern Sierra Nevada, and I think the predominant mountain peak over here is Mount Tom. This place is amazing. Honestly, I thought there would be more people here. I'm here on a Friday. I think I've seen maybe 4 or 5 people camping here. So, little tip, if you're trying to find camping along the eastern Sierra on a weekend, and you have your heart set on the Alabama hills, and it doesn't come through because, you know, they edited down all of the camping spots that they used to have. So it's a lot harder to get dispersed camping there. But here at Volcanic Tableland, just outside of Bishop, it is BLM dispersed camping, free. And you're allowed a 14-day limit if you want to spend 2 weeks here. But this place is great. This is a really good spot to, at least for me, if I was driving up to Tahoe, which I might be right now, driving up to Tahoe. It's a good halfway spot. That's a little bit more than halfway. It's from where I live to Tahoe is around 8 hours approximately. And this is Bishop, which, you know, this is just outside of Bishop. So this is about 5 hours, so a little bit more than half. But I'm excited. I'm gonna go back and get that camping spot and get set up, and I will see you there. Ooh, look at that view. Look at that incredible view at the eastern Sierra over there. Okay, this is the spot. So I'm gonna go right here, and then on over that way there's somebody else, but they're far enough away. Yeah, I like this spot a lot.
Been so long,
cheapo way of making a car awning. I swear it'll work. I saw this on another YouTube channel. In fact, most of what I learn about camping, I learn off YouTube channels. So, Tristan from SUV RVing is the one that clued me in onto this nifty trick of using hiking poles, a tarp. Okay. Oh, that is like really hard around. And then, yeah, okay, and this will give it a little bit more stability. Alright, so after a 5-hour drive, I stopped at Mahogany Meats, got myself a sandwich. This is their Capone sandwich. It has a lot of Italian meats and some hot peppers. I think they might be banana peppers. I'm going to have half of it now with my beer and then probably the other half later for dinner. Although it is almost 5 o'clock, so this could easily be my dinner. And Gandalf, he's in the car. He's right there. I have the car going with the AC because it's a little warm. It's like 80 something here. Cheers. Well, I kind of feel like an idiot. All that work into putting up tarp for shade, and there's shade right here. So I'm going to take down the tarp, I'm going to park here, and be better off drinking my beer over here. Oh, it is so much nicer, yeah. All right, that's what I'm doing. What? You want some out? All right, come here. Yes, it's going. It's really small. It's a tiny praying mantis. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Yeah, I didn't have it in the notch.